Hi everyone, this is Nina Rosenberger and we are talking today about syncopation, and this is a very important topic for us singers because this is how our melodies really become a lot more color. That this is a melody full of syncopation and full of shifting the accents and shifting those patterns, and this song has been very successful, maybe really keeping the listeners right there in the palm of your hands and make them want to listen to more. When you've done the clapping, then you can maybe start just speaking the melody. Try to keep you close to me, but life got in between. And then you can start putting, your vocal technique and all the colors and everything else into the melody, but maybe extract it first so you're really accurate with the rhythm, and then you can put everything else together. Try to keep you close to me, but life got in between. This song is full of syncopation, and I hope you will enjoy singing to the backing track I made you. This is all in your oldie material, so if you want to kind of have really a go and dig into just straight on the beat singing and then singing something completely off the beat and really trying to emphasize the syncopation, or in this way anticipation, because we're singing kind of ahead before the beat and we're anticipating what is about to come.